Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Sandy Springs, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Mariah Carey. It features 9 bedrooms, 9 full bathrooms, and 4 half bathrooms in 12,575 square feet of living space. It is set on 4 acres of land, next to Atlanta's prestigious Buckhead neighborhood, in the suburb of Sandy Springs. The home has a custom kitchen, with a giant marble countertop island. There is also a home theater and workout room. Throughout the house, there's crown molding and millwork, several coffered ceilings, and arched doorways. It also has a recording booth. The mansion, which was designed by Stephen Fuller, also has its own pool and pool house. There is a private tennis court and gardens on the property, with a large outdoor space. The master suite has a dressing room, custom walk-in closet, private balcony, and a morning bar, which means there's a small refrigerator, coffee maker, sink, and outlets in case you wanted to enjoy breakfast in your own quarters. According to the Wall Street Journal, Carey purchased the home in November 2021 for $5,650,000. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.